What's cracking, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to consist of me picking up some wheels for my coupe and me picking some stuff up to go E85 in my car. So right now I just got off work and I'm headed to Corona to pick up some wheels that I'm going to get for my coupe. Nothing fancy. Before I head to Corona, I'm going to stop by Electronic Warehouse right here in Riverside. I need to pick up a resistor for the flex fuel sensor because I'm going to be doing a flex fuel setup on my hatch, and I'll be installing that tomorrow with Omar, and I'll introduce you guys to Omar. Omar's been a big part of my build. He's been helping me out for a while. Okay, so I picked up the wheels. It's Saturday morning now, and these are the wheels that I'm going to be using for the coupe. 16-inch Rotor X's, Auto X's. I think they'll look good. I'm gonna be refinishing them, so I'll have a video on that. But yeah, so those are the wheels I got for the coupe. I just want to show it some love. I haven't really been paying any attention to it. I just kind of been driving it. I haven't even washed it in months. But let's head over to G&J. Got to get some fittings, and I'm gonna see if we can probably get the car tuned today. I was just kind of thinking about it, and I'm installing the flex fuel sensor. Might as well see if Derek can squeeze me in. So let's head over to G&J. So we're done here at G&J. These are the fittings that I needed for the flex fuel sensor. So I needed these resistors for the flex fuel sensor, and I needed this serial connector for my ECU for the flex fuel sensor as well. So I came down to DT Tuned, and they hooked me up. And I also got a fuel can. So now we gotta head down to Omar's and get to installing the sensor. We'll be back for tune. I already talked to Derek about it. My homie Omar, OG Works. If you guys need any work done, be sure to hit him up. I'll put his Instagram right here. So while Omar makes the harness, I'm over here. I need to uncover my ECU. Shout out to Honda Vlogs for the t-shirt. I gotta come take this cover off my ECU because we got to use this portion right here for the serial connector for the flex fuel sensor. So now that this is off, just gotta wait for Omar to finish the harness. Then we got to run all the cables, and I'll just leave it like this since we're gonna tune. Sick. So we've got the flex fuel wiring all set up. Omar made me a nice harness. So now I gotta head back to the shop, get these injectors installed, and then wait for Derek to tune the car. Made it to the gas station. Get to select the 85 now. Draining with gasoline right now, getting it ready to put in the E85. Cool, so we just finished dyno tuning the car. I didn't really film too many pulls because I didn't want to get all up in Derek's space or whatever. I would like to give him his own space. I don't want to be that type of customer to be all up in their business. Anyways, I'm very happy with the results. On E85, it was like a 15 wheel horsepower gain. So the car is a stock 2-liter F20B. It's the auto version, and it on E85 it ended up making almost 198. And it made 197.4. So that's pretty fucking cool, and I'm super happy about that. Fuck! Jesus fuck. That feels good as fuck. Wow, so I just got home, and as you can tell from the GoPro videos, the car moves. I've never felt the car like this before. It has way more power than it had before. I'm stoked to get it back to the track, and I just want to give a huge shout out to Derek, Isaac, and Omar. Always taking care of my car and always helping me out with whatever I need. Be sure to hit up DT Tuned if you guys need any automotive work, dyno tuning, engine work, basic maintenance. They do it all. Really good people, really knowledgeable, and they don't BS at all. So if you guys need anything like that done, be sure to message DT Tuned, and I'll go ahead and post their Instagram right here. So the car basically made damn near 200 horsepower on the motor to the wheels, and it made 250 on the bottle, and that's way more power than what I thought it was gonna make. Originally, when I first tuned the car, it made like 184. So, you know, that's almost 15 wheel horsepower gain from E85, and I'm cool with that. I'm super stoked. I did all the E85 stuff progressively. It's not like I did it all in one hit. Like I bought a fuel pump, I bought injectors, and then I bought the AEM sensor, and that's when I did everything today. A lot of people don't like to do the flex fuel because it is expensive to do in one hit. But if you take your time, and just like anything else, you know, if you don't have the money for it, then you better have the patience for it. But yeah, there was some BMW messing with us on the freeway, and I fucking dragged him. I was not expecting that. I don't know what model BMW it was, but yeah, I fucking dragged him. The car feels really fucking good, and it's just a whole different fucking car, and I'm so excited to just have it back the way that it should be. A lot of people were criticizing, saying that the car didn't need a tune or blah 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 blah. Anyways, I appreciate the support. We just hit 500 subs today, and it blows my mind with all the support that you guys give. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.